Thank you for using Trend Micro Security. In this video, we'll teach you how to use the Trend Micro Fraud Buster for Gmail and Outlook webmail on your PC. This video applies to all three PC editions: Antivirus Plus, Internet Security, and Maximum Security. Trend Micro Toolbar is a web browser extension that can warn you about security risks associated with the websites you visit. It protects against fraudulent Gmail and Outlook webmails via Fraud Buster, checks your online privacy in Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and launches PayGuard, a hardened version of your default browser to protect your financial transactions. To use Trend Micro Fraud Buster, you first have to log into your Gmail or Outlook webmail account. A pop-up appears for you to protect your webmail. Click Protect Your Email now. Another pop-up appears describing how Fraud Buster protects your Gmail and Outlook.com against phishing attacks by sending your email content to Trend Micro to scan. If you agree, click Agree and turn on. Fraud Buster is now enabled, and you can see it active in the Trend Micro toolbar. Your Gmail or Outlook.com webmail will now be scanned for potential scams, and you'll be alerted with a warning pop-up when you open a scam email, telling you not to follow any instructions contained in the email. In this example, click View Details in the pop-up warning to get more details about the scam. Follow Trend Micro's instructions to better protect yourself from scams, or contact Trend Micro to get more support. When done, close the Details window and Scam email, then delete the scam email from your inbox. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use the Trend Micro Fraud Buster for Gmail and Outlook webmail.